So we're getting aired down. We are still on that Glen Springs Road. I'll show it to you here in a minute on the map. One of the things you're going to want to do is make sure you get a map. So this is Glen Springs Road here. This whole area. This is Pine Canyon Campground where we're at right now. And then we're going to make our way over to Black Gap Road. That's the trail area. This section is not maintained.
All right, everybody, so we're getting ready to go to the Black Gap Trail, and Margaret's going to tell you about how to check in for this to get your badge.
Okay, so the Jeep has a Badge of Honor app. You pull up the trail you're going to do. We're doing Black Gap. You click check in and then check in. That's all you have to do, and then run the trail.
So how do you get the app?
You get the app by going to jeep.com. You'll see a Trail Badge app, and you download it for either Android or iPhone.
All right, easy enough. All right, we're taking a quick break here. Saw this, looks like a trench or a canyon of some sort. We just want to explore it and see how deep it goes. Wow, that is impressive. How beautiful can it get out here? Wish we had more time so we could actually go hiking and see some of the other sites that Big Bend has to offer. All right, everybody, so here we are. We've reached the split point here between the River Road and Black Gap. So I guess behind me is Glen Springs. I'm not really sure how they split off. I think River Road, part of that shares Glen Springs. But so this is it. If I go over here, let's go take a look at this. We wanted to get some good pictures. I mean, this is kind of exciting for us. So coming over here, it says road not maintained. This is the only road in the park that is not under maintenance of some sort. I guess like park rangers and stuff coming through, you know, kicking out big rocks and whatever, you know. It's the hardest trail in the park. I don't know what makes it a badge trail. I don't know that much about it yet, but we're gonna find out here pretty soon what it's all about. All right, so walking around the corner, we've got a warning: 4x4 high clearance vehicle required. So there were other signs at like Old Ore Road. It said 4x4 vehicle required too, but it wasn't a warning like this. It just said, you know, on the big sign that you probably needed it. Well, it's definitely not maintained. Get some pinstriping on this one.
I just ate a bush.
Ate?
Pretty much.
How did it taste?
Not good.
I'm sorry?
We're all from Fort Worth.
We are too.
So you're North
Yeah,
Texas thing.
yeah. Awesome.
Good to see all that.
Yeah, you too. Take care.
Go on, man. I'm the last one.
Okay, thank you. Y'all take care.
You too.
Man, it just goes on forever. This is really cool.
All right, so we've reached the southern end. This is either the beginning or the end. For us, it's the end. Had a great time. We didn't have any difficulties with the obstacles. It was a lot of fun to get video in and out of the Jeep. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. For us, we've got a lot more wheeling to do.